हाय हैंडसम। जो चिट्स आप खोल नहीं सकते। ठीक है, एक ही हाथ काफी है इस गेम खेलने के लिए।
थैंक्स।
गाना तो क्या मैं बाल दूं।
मेरा शॉर्ट कर रहा है। चल
अगेन ठीक है।
ये रखना प्रोमो में। Wolf climbing the hill is hungrier than the wolf on the hill. New Year's we were out. That suitcase is still like that.
No, Vicky, no.
We're sitting in February. In general, I'm not a great talker.
तो फिर शो पे क्या करने आई हो? You covered my whole clothes up. बीवी कैसे पटाई? What is the story? Somebody who has foot and mouth moments.
नेहा धोपिया.
I got thrown out of a games group once because they said Vicky will get pissed with you. Yeah, you're so rude.
Messi?
I'm not the football player.
I wish. बाकी लड़का हीरा हूँ.
GeoTV presents No Filter Neha Season 6, an initiative of Big Girl Productions and Geo7 in partnership with OnePlus, Black and White Ginger Ale, non-alcoholic beverage, Narayana Health and Rolling Stone India. A GeoTV, Big Girl Productions and Creative Land Studios creation. Welcome to No Filter Neha Season 6 on GeoTV. Today's guest belongs to the rarest breed of actors who keeps both critics and producers happy. He's been a torchbearer of meaningful cinema and has never chased box office success. But my God, has it chased him? If the professional success wasn't enough, personally तो इन्होंने kill ही कर दिया है. Please welcome my very dear friend and a chalta firta green flag, Vicky Kaushal. Vicky, I have to say, nice new look.
Thank you.
Muscles check, दाढ़ी check, juda check, and accessory check. हो गया ये?
You want a no filter answer for this?
Yes, and we also want the truth. Starting now till the end of the show.
So I was shooting for a film. I got a call from your team saying that we want to shoot an episode with you, and I said यार कि मेरी shoot है और मैं शायद नहीं आ पाऊँगा. तो फिर मुझे बंदे भेजे गए, पीटा गया और आज मैं यहाँ हूँ.
Now that was the no filter version. जहाँ पे हमारी बजा दी गई है. But do you want to also tell us the truth?
यार just some on-set injury. There's a nerve injury. So luckily कुछ टूटा फटा नहीं है. But it's just a very time-consuming process to kind of get back.
Okay. Road to recovery?
Road to recovery.
Everything is fine?
Great.
One of the many interviews we've seen of Katrina, at some point she paid you a compliment. She called you a good listener.
Okay.
So we're going to reverse that. We're going to do all the listening and you're going to do all the talking. So you ready?
Oh no. Okay, I'll try my best.
Are you a good talker as well in the house dynamics?
No. In general, I'm not a great talker.
तो फिर शो पे क्या करने आए हो?
पर तुम करोगी ना बात?
अच्छा.
करने कहाँ देती हो?
But I must tell you, going by past records, you were here earlier as well, and you're a really good talker.
Okay.
So we're going to let you do all the talking.
I'll do my best. I promise.
Okay, fine. Beats-wise, you become even more fitter, even more successful, even more handsome. The last time you were here, you were single. Now you're married. All of this aside, we only want to ask you one question.
What?
कि बीवी कैसे पटाई? What is the story? Like, I mean, you were just there. Like, I knew you even in the last season, and now you're here. You're sitting over here. Vicky and Katrina are married. Like, we don't know. Nobody knows that story.
Just two people meeting and genuinely finding a connection, and that's how it literally happened. Like, we kept meeting and we just kept feeling that there's a connection, and till we just took it to the next level, and we just felt like, okay, this is just happening without an effort. It's just very naturally feeling right. And that's how it happened.
I have a really nice Uri story. Can I say it?
Sure.
We were all there for the Uri screening. I don't know if I've actually told you this, but मैं camera में पहली बार बता रही हूँ. अब तो मैं बता ही सकती हूँ. So I was there, Angad was there, everyone was there, and then Katrina walks in. You all were both not dating at that time.
No.
Not at all.
Yeah,
Anyway.
no, and she was there because Aditya had invited.
Yeah, so Katrina was there. She looked back, and then I was sitting with Angad. Then she's like, "Why are you sitting with your husband? You come and sit with me." So I was like, "Okay, fine." So देखते ना, she's like, "This guy," and then I was like, "Okay." So the screen is here, and she's like, "This guy." Oh wow. And then at interval, I'm like, "Come on, let's go." She's like, "No, I don't want to miss it." So I don't want to miss what? He's outside. This is here. Let's go. I think at one point she couldn't differentiate whether it's the film or is it you? She was telling me like it was almost like she was having a beautiful moment where she was looking at you with a lot of love.
Really?
Yeah.
No, but it was very sweet of her to come for that screening because I remember like she was ill. She was not feeling the best and she was shooting for a film and then she had still come to watch that film and it was very sweet of her.
Yeah, but you know, if I were to talk about the two of you, every moment of yours together, starting from शादी, क्योंकि उसके पहले तो कोई फोटो ही नहीं थी, किसी को पता ही नहीं था कुछ हो रहा है, till now, like everything is like picture perfect looking.
Touch wood.
Touch wood. Your balcony photos, even the sun is at the right place. ऐसे लगता है between the both of you, ऐसे लगता है flare इतने बजे आ रहा है तो भी फोटो खींच लो. What is all that about?
I don't know, but I guess good fortune, good luck, and I truly feel blessed to have her. Like I feel यार कि भाग खुल गया. Like you know, she's a wonderful person, and I feel like she's actually come into my life, and I feel like कि जितना I've evolved in the last 4 years that I've known her, it's just incredible because there have been moments where I've just like she's given me a perspective about something where I felt ki wow, you know, I've never approached life or thought about a situation like this.
Like what? Like for instance, give us the simplest example, right?
See, the thing is like I am too much of a believer of like, you know, ki in the universe, in karma, in destiny and blah blah blah. There's a certain, of course, it gives you a little shanti also ki yaar zyada stress nahi leta, whatever. She's a go-getter. She's lived her life like, okay, everything's a mission and you go and you get it. You know, she leaves very little for the universe. She leaves very little for like kismat and everything. But that is something that I am cultivating in myself, and this is something that she's cultivating in her. This thing, ki acha yaar, you need to kind of leave something for the universe also, for the universe to respond to you. And I am also learning something ki yaar, not everything has to be left to the universe, and you have to sometimes, you know, we both are driven people, extremely driven people, but these two different perspectives, and we are kind of, I'm biting off a little bit of her perspective and she's biting off a little bit of my perspective, and it's together just always kind of works well for the both of us. You know, and that I find it beautiful. Like that I find ki yaar ye sahi
क्या बोलते हैं
journey
उसको,
chal rahi hai.
yin and yang.
Yin and yang, yeah.
But that's just amazing. Vicky, why don't you share a moment for us in your life where you saw yourself, where you felt that you've pushed yourself and you've decided to never settle?
In various aspects, it's like, you know, when you've worked hard to get opportunities and blah blah blah, and then you get opportunity, and then you see people reacting to it, resonating with your work and appreciating for your work, and then you're like, यार इससे कम नहीं करना, अब इसको ना आगे लेके जाना है, इसको और आगे लेके जाना है, and that happens like till now. कोई character, कोई film चलती है, and people reach out to you, they speak their heart out, appreciating your work and everything. It really means a lot. You know, at that moment, in that space, of course, you're just able to only thank them, but you really take that back home. Because really, वो जितना तुम्हारा खून बढ़ाता है ना, like it gives you that motivation and this thing, there's nothing more satisfying than that, to get people's love. So every time you get that, it's just like, it just multiplies. It just keeps multiplying and there's no end to it, and that's the beauty of it.
And I would imagine you more than ever you more than anyone because of the kind of parts also you've played. You know, उससे भी बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. But you've done some great work and I don't need to keep telling you that. Or should I continue telling you that? No, but your wedding. What a beautiful kind of mix of cultures. क्योंकि हम तो बाराती बन के आए थे, तो हमें दिखाई दे रहा था वहाँ पे, you know, because you were in the middle of it, and I really want to share this anecdote of yours, and it's like चाहे कोई भी आ रहा था, you were there greeting that person, you were like in the middle of it, कभी पग बंद रही है, you're like एक मिनट रुको, मेरे बाराती आ रहे हैं, मेरे को जाके लेना है, and you were just excited, you know, and I felt like, you know, you were like a happy bunny at your own wedding. But there were also like a huge mix of cultures. Like even the food would start from one part of the world and, you know, it would go to another thing. Or whether the music was there, kabhi uske favorite gaane chal rahe the. Who made the big decisions?
The decision eventually was, I told Katrina one thing. Eventually, whatever will make you happy is the thing that we'll do. Those were the 3 most happiest, most beautiful days of my life. It was just also those 3 days where I felt genuinely like there's a lot of positive energy, a lot of blessings of elders, a lot of love from your people and your friends and your cousins and everybody. It was just something that just felt right every day, every minute, every second, you know, and it's just beautiful.
All of it was absolutely fantastic. That's the good stuff. Moving on. Now, hand on your heart. What are the things that she finds annoying about you? Nothing मत बोलना विक्की.
नहीं लिस्ट है. मैं सोच रहा था कौन सी पहले बता.
हाँ, मैं लिख दूँ. एक मिनट में नोट लेती हूँ.
Stubbornness.
Okay.
Yeah. And
so you're not the first one to say sorry. I'll give my interpretation of
no. I'm the first one to say sorry, but it's just that perspective wise. Like sometimes I'm just like.
अड़ गया.
नहीं, मुझे जब तक मैं अड़ा रहता हूँ जब तक I'm not convinced otherwise.
Okay.
But वो थोड़ा सा कि हाँ stubbornness and the first 2 years she used to call me खड़ूस.
Why?
She used to feel my resting face as a little खड़ूस. so.
But you didn't even have this look
Like,
that
why are you
time.
not smiling? I was like, but I'm happy. She's like, yeah, so why are you not smiling? Why do you have this खड़ूस face? I'm like, oh, okay. So that I think that. बाकी लड़का हीरा हूँ मैं.
बाकी लड़का हीरा हूँ मैं.
But
stubborn, खड़ूस दो में थोड़ी ना जाने देंगे.
दूसरा planning as in like especially like vacations and all. डब्बा. 0.
I see it in you.
0.
So annoying.
Yeah, matlab she's like then like she has to plan and also like she's like also it's a very deadly phrase she had given. You're the most unromantic gift giver.
Oh, thank you for telling us. So what is the last gift you gave your wife?
Jewelry.
हीरा है जो हीरे ही देता है. हाँ, लड़का हीरा है. Okay, so but you know, I also want to take it back to the point where she had come on No Filter, and at that time she was single, and she came, like we asked her, you know, define your perfect man, and under no circumstances was this the definition.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, I didn't mean to say. Yeah, this was not
What
my
is
question. This matlab, both the Chris Hemsworth in a field wearing a flowery
she's a
dress.
big Chris Hemsworth fan.
But you are India ka Chris Hemsworth.
चल. कितनों को बोला है अभी तक?
किसी को नहीं. कौन लगता है Chris Hemsworth?
ये कहाँ से लगता है?
No, all right. But I wanted to ask you, and I missed out asking you about Sunny. Very talented, very good-looking, young lad, your younger brother. What are the dynamics like for him? Do you think that somewhere, because he came into the business after you, it was pressure for him that he's Vicky Kaushal's brother?
नहीं, I don't think so कि ऐसा कुछ Vicky Kaushal's brother because Vicky Kaushal अभी तक वैसा कोई तोप बना नहीं है. See, the thing is, to be very honest, I feel like he's the most coolest Kaushal in the family. And he's the most zen and he's really the most intelligent person in the family. Sometimes when I feel like there's too much saturation and convoluted thoughts in my head, I know I have to ring up Sunny. And
Voice of reason, is it?
Yeah.
Wow.
For example, when Lust Stories had come my way, I knew I will do this film. I knew it. But I just wanted to bounce it off with somebody. Then I called up Sunny. I was like, ये ऐसी कहानी, and I gave him the whole narration. तो उसने बोला कि confusion क्या है? Why are you thinking? I was like, नहीं पता नहीं यार, like because of that character, and he's like यार, and he's like तो personally क्यों ले रहा है? And I'm like हाँ. I was like हाँ मैं personally क्यों ले रहा हूँ? I'm an actor.
Yeah.
And I'm like that just simplified everything, and I didn't even wait till the next morning.
But
I called up Karan the same night, and I'm like Karan, just let me know when we're shooting. I'm doing this, but. It's that kind of a simplification that I'm saying that sometimes he just gives you a perspective which is just like, it's like a eureka, you're like, huh. Why I never thought about this.
But it's such a good line to say personally kyun le raha hai, because we do that a lot. Why do you have to take it personally? Speaking of Sunny, he was very sweet and we asked him a very simple question that please describe your brother in 3 words.
Oh.
Yeah, and he did that very nicely, high praise. All we want you to do in a small little game is to guess what these 3 words are.
So, hardworking, focused.
Wow, okay, very close.
Handsome.
Handsome. Hi, handsome. You really think your younger brother's going to call you handsome?
No,
How
never.
deluded are you?
Never.
Yeah, my brother is handsome.
Never.
Okay, do you want to know?
Yeah.
He's called you Master Ji.
So Master Ji is called me Master Ji because whenever we're having like a game session with friends or anything, like I don't know, there's a switch that happens. Like I'm like very particular about people following rules and like your turn, it's your turn, you're taking too much time and
Yeah, I've seen that
so
side.
like yeah, they
I got
start
thrown
calling
out
me
of a
Master Ji.
games group once because they said Vicky will get pissed with you. Yeah. I was like, why? I only cheat. They're like, no, you can't be there.
Kuch bhi hai.
But cheating is fine anyway.
It's fine, cheating is fine.
Yeah, okay. He's called you a foodie. He's like, उसको बस खाना दे दो, वो हर जगह खाना खाता है. And the third thing he's called you is Messi.
Messi?
And not the football player, but I'm talking
I wish.
about. He's
I
very
wish.
messy.
Messi is because it's like if I've come back from a trip, my suitcase is my closet for the next, I don't know how many days. Like my last trip was when? New Year's we were out. I came back. That suitcase is still like that.
No, Vicky, no, please.
We're sitting
Please,
in
you-
February.
Please. But you're going to London now in 3 days.
बस अभी चेंज होगा वो. फिर
And
जब
if
मैं
you're going
लंदन
to
से
same
आऊंगा
weather?
वो फिर पता नहीं अगले ट्रिप तक सिर्फ पड़ा रहेगा. वहीं से मैं निकाल के पहनता रहता हूँ.
You're a real mess. Yeah. You know, Vicky, but on a more serious note, like did you grow up in a chawl in Malad? And from there, a part of the biggest films, you're working with the best directors, you're taking home the fattest paychecks right now, you're on the top of your game. When did you feel that this is real and I have made it?
I have made it, पता है, it's वो नहीं आई है अभी तक feeling. And that's a feeling I want to always chase till my last day of work. Like, कि I want to make it. Because like they say, that the wolf climbing the hill is hungrier than the wolf on the hill. So I always want to feel that I'm still to reach the top of the hill.
But the
see,
fact
thing
that this is real, you're living
journey
it right
from
now,
the
Vicky.
chawl to here, see, it's more of a journey of my mom and dad than mine. You know, I've been like tagging along with them, but it's been their journey of kind of seeing that life and going from a chawl to a better house, to a better house, to a better standard of living. But that's been their journey and their sacrifices and their strength. But after that, I think, यार, the thing is, यार, सब मेहनती होते हैं, सारे talented होते हैं, पर पता नहीं कहीं ना कहीं God favors you for some reason and some things are happening in the right way at the right time. And you also don't know why and how this is happening, but you just keep sticking to your values and your principles and your ways and keep evolving and keep at it. That's all I'm actually doing. एक तरीके से एक faith था कि at one point, like, you'll be living, like, you know, you'll be getting good opportunities, you'll be there, but you never knew कि हाँ ऐसे होगा, like, you know, इतना अच्छा होगा. तो वो मुझे हमेशा लगता है कि यार जो भी है, let's not analyze it, let's not question it, बस जीते जा और करते जा काम.
Yeah, but that's now. But if we had to go back to you struggling, I'm saying struggle to हमेशा ही होती है. But I'm saying your real struggling actor days. What's been the most ridiculous response that you have ever got in your kind of starting off days, or the most ridiculous audition that you've done? Like, you must have been in that situation.
I've given some horrible auditions.
Like what?
Like if I've cracked 10, I've failed in 10,000. There have been certain auditions which I've given and I've come back home feeling like I'm in the wrong place. I just don't know how to do my job.
What makes you get up and say, okay, फिर phone उठाओ, फिर देखो, फिर जाके खड़े हो उन लाइनों में? कैसे होता है?
यार क्योंकि the next day when you wake up, you just know कि यार इसी में सुख भी मिलता है. ये genuinely यहाँ पे ना शांति मिलती है मन को कि यार ये मुझे करने में मजा आता है. ठीक है, I had a bad day yesterday, but that doesn't mean I'm bad, you know. तो वो you have to pick yourself up and then लगे रहो and there are stories around you which कि यार इनका 10 साल बाद हुआ, 15 साल बाद हुआ, ये वो. Not that you were wishing that for yourself, but
you are also an AD on Anurag's film.
Gangs of Wasseypur.
And is that how you got Masan?
No, because Gangs of Wasseypur happened, I was an AD, and then I started doing theatre for 3-4 years. Neeraj started pursuing his direction. He started writing Masan and da. And that time he was making it with some other actor. And then dates work out nahi hue, and then he started auditioning many new actors. I auditioned for that role. Then I got selected for it, but it had no correlation to because I was an assistant on Gangs of Wasseypur or something.
But can you imagine, like वही होता है ना, किस्मत पलटने में उतना ही time लगता है. मतलब because that person had signed that film.
मुझे पहली 3-4 फिल्में ऐसी मिली हैं क्योंकि किसी ने मना की थी. The first film I got without an audition was Man Marziyan. बाकी राजी, संजू, Love Per Square Foot, Masan, Raman Raghav, Zuban, all those films have been all because I gave a screen test and then the director approved of it and then I landed the role. Man Marziyan was the first one.
So now we have these lovely cards for sharing, and we just need some answers. But we want to get to know the deeper side of you. No superficial answers here. The more no filter answers to all my questions.
Okay.
Right. This is very sweet. Someone calls you to thank you for changing their lives. Who would it be? Like, who's that one person in your life who you thought whose life you have changed?
No, I don't think like life has changed is a very strong sentiment. There have been people like I remember, like me and Aditya used to say कि यार, if one person, just one young guy decides to join the army after watching Uri, we are like, we don't care how much money this earns, we don't care what we get out of this film, but we are through. Like, you know, and then we got so many messages that, you know, I gave my army exam after watching Uri. And
really?
Yes, that for me is like, you know, I don't know, it's just like the biggest award for me.
That's amazing. And then House of Josh became like an anthem.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Okay, your most embarrassing search history.
My most embarrassing search history has been Vicky Kaushal.
Sweet yaar, sweet.
Randomly bored हो गए I'm like Vicky Kaushal, and then कुछ ज़्यादा interesting आया नहीं, मैंने कहा ये मैं वापस कभी life में नहीं करूँगा.
Alright. And if you could remove one moment from your life entirely, what would it be?
None.
Nothing?
No, nothing. Nothing.
Nothing? Not even that time when you missed your flight?
I've never missed my flight.
Really?
Never.
Oh, okay.
I'm one of those जो 2 घंटे पहले पहुंच जाते हैं ना.
Oh, so you have nothing in common with Rashmika.
Why she's
always missing a flight, she said.
Yeah, but that's what even Katrina.
What?
She's reaching the airport like she will, if it's up to her, she will reach the airport when it's like just started, the plane has just started to take off. She can just land there then. By the way, I need to board.
Thank you for sharing. I'm going to go to Raman Raga. In one of your interviews, you said the character you played in Raman Raga was a little more, correct me if I'm wrong, the word was very dark and very toxic. And you wouldn't want to play a character like that, especially in this climate.
No, so in fact, Raman Raghav is the only film I feel if I get that opportunity again, every 5 years of my life, I can play it better. I can play it better. उस समय मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था मुझे लाइफ में इतना मुझे एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था या मैंने उतनी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज लाइफ में नहीं देखी थी टू पोर्ट्रे दैट रोल टू द डेप्थ्स एट व्हिच इट कुड हैव बीन पोर्ट्रेड. आज मैं जब देखता हूं मुझे लगता है I mean I tried my best but I gave my all. बट आज जब मुझे लगता है कि मुझे वो सेम रोल सेम फिल्म में मुझे फिर से मिले, आई कुड गिव अनदर swing to it which might be just a little bit more deeper and more layered.
That's just amazing that you're saying that because, you know, like, and it's also nice you're clarifying it because I feel that somewhere out there was some misrepresentation about it where it almost came across as you don't want to play parts like that.
No, it's very consuming. It's very taxing. Like I remember after it was shot in straight 21 days and after the last shot was done between me and Nawaz bhai, we were giving high fives to each other that
Khatam.
Like it was really dark. Like even for 20 days I was like, we were exhausted because it was so taxing and consuming. But that's okay. It's like it adds up to your confidence as an actor.
And it's good. It's always a good thing. You know, things are very good right now, but there was a time where you also mentioned that, you know, going back to your dad, Mr. Shyam Kaushal, he's a really renowned stunt director, but there have been times where, you know, he would not get treated the way he should have been on the set, and he would come back and tell you how disappointing it was, or even sometimes cried in front of you. Did this ever like put you off the business? Did it ever make you feel ki, you know, it's a hard place to be?
No, so he's never done that in front of us as kids because we were really small, but he's done that in, like with mom, and he's come back and feeling humiliated and feeling like this and that and all of that. But see, the thing is, he's always also been of the point of view that this is the industry which has given me everything, and it's been a blessing. It's been like I've met the most wonderful people. So he's always been very encouraging if you have the right reason to come to it. You know, not just if you're wanting to come to the industry because of privilege, then you're in a delusioned this thing. So
because of privilege, you mean that because it's easy for you?
Because I'm his son or whatever. Like, you know, when I was doing my engineering and I was a good student, I had a job, you know, which I had from campus interview and all of that. But when I told him that I want to be an actor, he was just firstly scared that I'm saying that because I feel like my dad is in the industry and it'll be better for me and easier for me. But when I told him that I really want to, because I just feel like I'll be happy here. I won't be happy in front of a computer doing 9 to 5 job. And so he's like, listen, I have found the best people and I have whatever I have in life is because of this industry. So I will never discourage anybody from coming as long as they have the right reason. And it's going to be your own battle because, like, you know, I know nothing about acting. It's a craft. You'll have to learn it. You'll have to get better at it and whatever. And it's going to be your fight.
There's nothing in your journey, मतलब कहीं पे भी जितनी हमारी बात हुई है और जो भी आपने बताया, there's nothing where it shows that he made any calls for you.
No, he never.
Yeah.
Like मेरे father तो technician है. So इंडस्ट्री में क्या होता है कि जैसे आप पहले बोलते हो कि यार मेरा बेटा है जो एक्टर बनना चाहता है, वो पहला थॉट जो सामने वाले का होता है कि अरे यार एक और आ गया, यू नो, वो वैसे वाला थॉट होता है कि अच्छा सबको ही बनना होता है. तो उल्टा इट वर्क्स अगेंस्ट कि यार इट्स लाइक, क्योंकि कोई बाहर वाला आके बोलता है एक्टर बनना तो आपको लगता है कि हाँ बंदे का पैशन है यार, पर जब अंदर वाला ही बोलता है कि यार इसको एक्टर बनना है तो उनको लगता है ये प्रिविलेज से आ रहा है, तो वो उल्टा और डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है कि प्रूव करना नहीं यार ये जेन्युइनली इच्छा है बनने की, यू नो, कि फॉर द राइट रीजंस. सो वो कई बार it's a double edged sword.
Of course,
you know, it's,
and,
of course
and
there's
more
privilege
honest
and of
words
course
have never been spoken. Yeah, बिल्कुल
there's
ठीक.
privilege attached to it, 100%. But it's also like a double edged sword. It could go anywhere.
But एक पहली कॉल से ज्यादा क्या ही तो कर लोगे तुम.
Yeah,
All right. So Vicky, are you ready to play our next game?
fully ready.
All right. So it's called guilty or not guilty.
Okay.
I'm going to give you simple situations, so you have to tell me guilty of
Okay.
doing the above, and then not guilty,
Okay.
and maybe sometimes. All right. ठीक है. एक ही हाथ काफी है इस गेम खेलने
हाँ,
के लिए.
Thanks.
All right. Breaking into a bhangra in an inappropriate situation.
Always.
Okay. This one I don't know, yaar. But still trying hard to impress your wife. Bichara.
Till date. Failing miserably.
Okay. Having no inputs in the interiors of your home.
Am I guilty of that?
Yeah.
No, that's a basic requirement from me. Like that's not like
You're not
even
allowed.
invited for. Like I'm not allowed.
Like nobody cares my advice. Okay, fine. Nodding at Katrina without understanding what she's saying sometimes. Sorry. Praising a movie without meaning it. Everyone's done it. You don't want to offend.
No, I just genuinely praise about the things that I liked in that film. Yeah, I've rarely come across a film where I didn't like anything. Like nothing. Like the way it's shot, the way the costumes were. अभी तक नहीं हुआ कि मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पसंद आया.
Yeah. Oversharing in an interview? Are you guilty of oversharing in an interview?
This one.
Oh, this one. What have you overshared? All right.
I'll come to know when the interview comes out.
Tell me, you have this weird connection with Ranbir. Like his film, you're, you know, a part of multiple films of his in a certain way. Love Per Square Foot, he did a guest appearance and stuff like that. There's always like, you know, something going on. Then, of course, the big day at the box office with Animal and Sam Bahadur, both films that have done exceptionally well. कभी ये नहीं होता है कि भाई, do you pick up the phone on each other and say, same day pe kyun aa rahe ho? Does it ever affect anyone? Can
No,
do this?
not about like releases. In fact, we would exchange messages saying that his trailer came out. I kept telling him like I'm tripping on Arjun Velli and this and that.
Yeah, yeah.
And of course, he was sweet in messaging like, you know, I love the trailer. This trailer is looking fantastic. And we couldn't watch each other's films because it was the same day, and I immediately went back to a shoot and everything. I was so uncanny that we ended up watching the film once it was on OTT at the same night, and the next day we were messaging each other saying that, oh, I watched Sam, oh, I watched Animal. But it never that happens. Yeah, it's every film has its own destiny, and also we need to build an ecosystem where both films work, which eventually happened, and it's great.
Yeah, it's great.
You know,
It
and
really
of course,
is.
I mean, mammoth success to Animal, and that's fantastic for a film like that.
So you end up doing a film like Donkey.
Yeah.
Congratulations on that.
Thank you.
But everyone has a great Shah Rukh Khan story. Tell us your greatest Shah Rukh Khan story.
यार देखो, मुझे एक मौका मिला उनके साथ काम करने का. एक ही फिल्म में मैंने उनके साथ ड्रंक सीन कर लिया. हमने साथ में सेम नींबू चाट लिया और उनकी बाहों में मेरी मौत हो गई. इतना नसीब तो किसी हीरोइन का भी नहीं होता कि एक ही फिल्म में ये सब चीजें करने को मिल जाए. अब इससे ज्यादा क्या बोलूं मैं, मतलब he is just, यार, I love him. I love him. Like it's just
Me too.
like you're floored. You always are just आप अगर फैन हो जाते हो उसके बाद आप भक्त हो जाते हो. अगर आपने मिल लिया, काम कर लिया. My biggest takeaway from the film was, or from the sets of it after working with him, was he was still on the set. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि उनकी डेब्यू फिल्म है. वो इतनी भूख से आते हैं और इतनी मेहनत करते हैं और वहाँ पे सेट पे ही रहते हैं. that you feel कि he is still the hungriest person on set wanting to prove something.
That's so great.
It's great. It's immensely motivating and like inspiring.
That's so good to know. Vicky, tell us, what is that one film that you felt that, you know, really went that extra mile in addressing important social issues and sparking meaningful conversations in cinema?
It's not a social issue, but I'm really proud to be part of Sardar Udham. Because it's that one story, it's that one character. Being a Punjabi, मैंने बचपन से सुनी थी उनकी कहानी. And I always kept thinking कि यार ये कहानी दुनिया भर में लोगों को क्यों नहीं पता? Why is it just known to Punjabis or just Punjab? कुछ कहानियाँ जो आप बचपन से सुनते हो, फिर then to become an actor, to get the opportunity to play that character was a huge deal.
How
for me.
surreal is that?
It was very surreal, and with a director who I've been wanting to work with. Like since my first film, I had always dropped a message to him कि sir picture देख लेना, आप picture देख लो. I didn't know he lives in Kolkata. He's not living in Bombay. So I used to call him for every screening, but he would be like, I'm not here. But I was so happy, and I was just so like, I was like, okay, it's more than a film for me. And it was as pure for Sujita as well, who was telling the story. So just being a part of that process, working with Sujita for a story based on Shahid Sardar Udham Singh ji, it was for me was like, okay, you know, no matter what happens with the film, you know, this is that one film जो अपने पोतों को बोलूँगा कि यार ये कहानी का हिस्सा बना था मैं, you know, good, bad, ugly, whatever, but it's just like I'm so proud that I got to be a part of that.
Yeah, but you have this like blessing from the universe, the way you narrate your story. So whether even if it is, you know, getting a part after an audition that you've done 3 years ago versus willing this, you know, growing up on this story, wanting to work with the director and making this film it's amazing. Tell me, Love and War, big announcement. It'd be foolish of me not to throw this question at you. What's it like getting a narration from Sanjay Leela Bhansali?
Yeah, no, it's an opportunity I think every actor is hoping and praying for. I have loved his films. I have loved him as a director. He's, I think, a master of his craft.
Of course.
And just to get this opportunity means the world to me. I'm really looking forward to that journey to start, because it's going to be under the direction of Sanjay sir, but also with just two amazing actors, Alia and RK. I worked with them individually.
Both of them you worked
in Sanju and Razi, but I am so looking forward to just be on the same set. It's just something that I'm so looking forward to.
And you also have a comedy film, right?
It's Anand's film.
Yeah.
That we both are in.
That we both are in. And I want everyone to know that it's the avatar that I know. It's Vicky Kaushal in and as Vicky Kaushal. उस फिल्म के बारे में तो मैं ही बता देती हूँ.
But I'm really looking forward to the people to watch that film, because it's a project, like it's a film which is very close to my heart, because it's just like family coming together and making this film, and I really am very excited for that film to come.
And you've made it with your band of boys. Like all your best friends are like producing, directing, everything. So that's great. Vicky, it's been absolutely phenomenal talking to you, but we're not done.
Okay.
So our next game is called Bowl Ya Bowl. It's very simple. We have this bowl.
Okay.
जिसमें chits है. I'm going to give you some career options. You have to tell me which famous people fit really well into this career option.
God.
या तो ये बोलो, या फिर bowl में से chit निकालो और ये करो.
Okay.
First one, linguist. Someone who you know can speak multiple languages.
Ranveer Singh. I think he's very good with like if he has to adapt a diction or a dialect for any of his role, he really does it like a chameleon.
All right, nice. Second, a therapist.
Karan?
Okay. Fair. A gossip columnist. हाँ?
Neha Dhupia.
मेरे को ऐसे मतलब कुछ भी बना दे.
मेरा जवाब है.
क्यों भाई?
You surprised also?
तुम लोगों ने नाम बदनाम करके रखा होगा. Yeah. Okay. Professional model.
Ananya.
Matchmaker.
तुझे नाम लेता हूँ.
It's easier.
नहीं यार ये
This chit is easier.
देखो ट्रूथ और डेयर में मैंने हमेशा ट्रूथ चुना है.
But this is the truth.
नहीं ट्रूथ अभी मैं बोलूँगा.
देखिए मैं तेरे सर पे मार दूँगी. This is the truth. एक उठा के तो दे.
यार ये क्या जबरदस्ती हो रही है. Do a sitting wave head to toe. ये जो तुम लोग मेरी इंजरी का sadistic मजे ले रहे हो ना तुम लोग.
Head to toe और ये वाला भी कर देना एक बार उसके बाद.
कैसी बेशरम है यार.
एक ही हाथ से ऐसे कर देना कर देगा. Yeah, okay, fine. The next one is professor. Who can make a good professor?
I feel Vidhu Vinod Chopra, sir. 40 years in the industry, yaar, as a director, as a producer.
Very good answer. Fitness instructor?
John Abraham.
Stand-up comedian?
Sara Ali Khan. In her true element,
Very funny.
oh, she is.
Gets it from her dad.
Yeah?
He's also
She's very
funny.
entertaining.
Yeah.
A lot of fun working with her.
Detective?
Detective would be. नहीं रुक जा बताता हूँ.
बेसन का लड्डू है खाने के लिए.
नहीं.
If you do, मैंने चिट उठा ली. If you don't feel like
No, no,
doing
no.
it, मैं detective बता दूंगी कौन है.
No. Mimic your wife. Yeah, to mimic her मुझे इतनी English ही नहीं आती.
So what are you going to do?
Okay. She has a very irritating habit of spotting a boil or a pimple and she would want to burst.
Oh my God, no, we can't keep this on. This is too much information.
And she has this like, she'll put you on an emotional trip about that. She'll be like, I'm feeling, no, I'm not feeling well. Nah, so let me just do one. Like she'll be like, I'm like, but it's hurting. No, it's not hurting.
Oh my God. Can't believe you threw my friend under the bus. All right, influencer.
Sania Malhotra. She's making damn good those funny reels.
Yeah, funny reels are very good. And last but not the least, stripper.
Angad Bedi.
मजा आ दिया मेरे बेचारे पति को.
बेटा यार बता.
You know, I can't tell you, Vicky. Since, you know, after seeing all these loaded roles of yours, I was just like, when is Vicky going to finally smile on camera? Thank you for doing this.
Thank you for making me smile. This is fun.
This was a lot of fun. Thank you for being like so cool.
No, I'm just very happy to be here and talking to you, Neha, as always. And I am just happy that we could just be our informal selves.
Yes.
Even in front of camera.
The Vicky I know.
The
And
Neha
the
I
Vicky
know.
you know now. All right, Vicky, before we let you go, we have a little something for you. It's a bit heavy. I know you can't carry it right now, but from all of us at No Filter, thank you so much for this lovely interview. Thank you for this lovely chat. We wish you luck with everything you're doing, and we can't wait to watch you on the silver screen as always.
Thank you, Neha. And I will stick to my promise of seeing you in the next season.
2 seasons.
2 seasons.
Yes, you fell into the trap. Thank you.
Thank you, Neha.
Produced by Creative Land Studios, shot at Creatorland. Outdoor partner Bright Outdoor Media Limited.